Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about my Boxycharm. I'm going to be trying out these products firsthand to see how well they perform, tell you guys the price point, and tell you how I like them. So let's just jump right into this box. The first thing in this month's box that I'm pulling out is this bad boy right here. This is the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizer Primer. That is so awesome that we got this in this month's box because Dr. Brandt, for one, is a pretty expensive brand. The fact that this is a Pores No More Luminizing Primer is literally everything I want in life. I don't want my pores and I want to be luminous, so this is so exciting. This primer is full-size product and it retails for $38. So we're gonna just try this bad boy out. I've never tried this before. It's like that kind of consistency. It's like not like the Pore Professional consistency. It's more like, I don't know, it feels more loose, not as silicone-y. So we're gonna rub this in. Oh yes, I like the way this feels on the skin. The smell of this, I don't know what it smells like, but it kind of smells weird. It has a pretty finish, definitely luminous. Let's see if it fills my pores at all. It really did. I have this large pore right here on this cheek and never can I get that bad boy filled. Like even when I use the Pore Professional, it doesn't settle right into there. I usually have to literally like poke it in there to make it settle. But this is literally, it's vanished. Oh my god. This is so awesome. There is like little specks of glitter in this primer, but it's like very subtle, so it doesn't look like I have glitter all over my face. Whoa, I'm so impressed. Oh my god, I'm so excited. But anyways, I am going to go apply my foundation, my concealer, and everything, and then I'll be right back and we'll go through the rest of the products. Alrighty guys, I am back. I have my foundation and I powdered the rest of my face. But anyways, we are going to be moving right along. We are going to move to the next product. This is going to be the Bronze and Brighten Cheek palette. Let me show you what it looks like on the inside. It looks really pretty. Just the thing is, the blush and the bronze, it's like all shimmery. I'm not sure about all of that. But we are going to try out all three of these shades. So let's try this out. It has a nice little mirror in it too, which is really nice. These shades are absolutely stunning. Let's give them a swatch. The pigment of these are unreal. So creamy. Look at this, guys. Wow. So creamy. Let's see how they look on the face. I'm going to be going in with this Morphe 527 brush, and I'm going to be dipping into this bronze shade. I'm a bit nervous, guys, because I don't put shimmery shades on as a bronzer. So let's see how it looks. Definitely bronzing up the face. I don't know if you can see that, but in person to me, it looks a little red on my face. I don't know about this. I'm gonna go in with a different brush. Look at that. So, it's not blending out very well up there. This is a catastrophe. Oh my god. This bronzer is not blending out and it looks absolutely horrible on my skin. The undertone of this bronzer is not for me. So, I definitely will not be using that shade again. Alright, so that's what that looks like. We're just gonna move along. We're gonna try the blush. I'm scared though because we just saw exactly what just went down. So hopefully the blush doesn't do that. But I am gonna be going in with a very feathery brush, so it won't pick up too much product, so hopefully it doesn't cause any issues. So I'm just gonna go with this shade. So this blush color is pretty. My cheek over here is extra dewy because these are all shimmery shades. I usually use matte bronzers and matte blushes. This shade is going to be perfect for the summer where you want just a little bit of shimmery cheeks because you want to look fresh and dewy, this will be the perfect shade. I feel like this would be a good summer shade too to bronze your cheeks with, but it's just not a good undertone for me, so I will not be using that. Maybe this will be a good eyeshadow. Pop that on the lid and have a bronze lid. I bet that'd be pretty. Alright, and the last shade we're gonna try is this highlighting shade. This highlighting shade looks really promising, so let's see. Yes. At least we got one good little product out of that. Wow, guys, that highlight is very intense. Look at it, it's really good though. This retails for $34. I would not purchase this. This is like something I probably will most likely not use again. I would definitely use the highlight shade, maybe the blush, but definitely not that bronzer color for my face. Maybe for the eyes, but I would pass on this. The next thing we have in the box is this eyeshadow palette. This is the Glam Metals palette by Crown Pro. Uh-oh. I have a cracked shade in here. So let me show you the shades. This shade right here broke on me. But these are the shades oh! Now you should see how dirty my desk is. Wow. We had 8 shimmer shades and 1 matte shade that's broken. I wouldn't typically go for an all shimmer shade palette because you have to have your matte shades. So we are gonna try to use this. I'm gonna use a Jaclyn Hill's palette for some transition shades real quick. I'm gonna just pop the shade Rock onto my lid and see how it applies. It's nothing crazy. It doesn't look super vibrant. Like, I don't even know if you can see it on my eye. Can't. I'm gonna go in with a Rebel instead and see what it looks like. Put that on top. Oh yeah, this one looks much better compared to the other one. There is fallout, so you have to be careful about that. So Rebel, I really do like this shade. I'm just going to add Wild Thing, this red shade, on the outer corner just because I can, you know? So we are just gonna keep the lids as so, and I'm just gonna smoke out the lower lash line using this color, Glam Rock. Even though it's a shimmer, I'm just gonna place this on the lower lash line. Well, that made things look a lot more smoky than I had anticipated, but this is the simple look using this Glam Metals palette. Oh, I don't know about this palette either. I'm not feeling it, you know? But this palette retails for $25. We're gonna move on though. We are gonna be going in with this product right here. This is the, what is this? This is from Grande Cosmetics. This is a hydrating lip plumper. So we're gonna try this out while we try the next product to see how it feels on the lips. It says it instant plumps and it gives you hydration. This product right here retails for $27. I'm obsessed with this packaging. It feels very nice. So how do you work it? How do you work this thing? Oh! That's cool. It's like a little pen. When's the product gonna come? It's all gonna come rushing out. Yep. It's very pink. Oh! It's about to come. Let's see how plump they will make my lips. Ooh, the smell of this is not good, guys. This color? This is what this lip plumper looks like. I mean, this would be super cute if I was not going for this look right here. This would be good to wear in the summer when you just kind of want a little bit of something and you want to look like a little doll. This would be cute. But not for what I'm going for right now. It's just not. It feels like nice on the lips. It doesn't feel like sticky like a lip gloss. It just feels really good. I do not like the smell of this though. It like almost smells like cactus or something. I don't know what it smells like, but it's strange. So that's that. Oh, the color is Hot Fuchsia. I didn't see that until just now. Alright, we gotta hurry up and finish this off because this is just a disaster. My next product is this, an It Brow Power Pencil. It came in the color Universal Taupe, but it says that it transforms shades to adjust to your brow color. Apply softer strokes for lighter hair colors, including blonde and silver, and then press harder for darker hair. This brow pencil retails for $24, so we are going to try it out. You get a spoolie, and then, let's see. Alright, let's see if my brows will go on normal. I feel like I've been having issues with my brows too. I'm just having all kinds of issues with makeup here recently. It blows my mind that this matches my brow. Wow, I'm very impressed by this product. It glides onto the brow super easily, and I'm not even pressing that hard to make it a different shade. The only thing is, I don't know if I really care for the shape of the brow pencil itself, because I feel like you can't like be super precise of like your strokes, like especially in the front of the hair or in front of the brow. Alright, we are going to leave brows just as is for now. I feel like it did a really good job at filling in my brows. The only thing that I didn't really care for was the shape of the actual brow pencil, but other than that, I was really blown away by how it matches my brow color spot on. Like, that is crazy to me. So I'll definitely be using this product again. So this is the final makeup look that I came up with all those products. Let's talk about the products. So my two standout products were these two bad boys, the Dr. Brandt Luminizer Primer Pores No More. This thing, I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm gonna be using it every single day, and when I run out of it, I guarantee I'll repurchase this because it covered that one large pore that I have right here, and that's magical. That is so magical. And this Universal It Brow Power Pencil is really nice as well. Now these bad boys, the last three, they were not my favorite, truly. So this month's Boxycharm was a total of $148, and I'm only paying $21 for all those products. So once again, you are getting a wonderful steal with Boxycharm. Even though some of the products were a miss for me, I still really enjoyed the products that I did like. But that is all that I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Woo! We are done. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Pure, 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 or purr? I don't know. It is. Well, I can't. I cannot with this video, and I just can't. Let me show you guys real quick what happened when that black shadow decided to fall out of the pan. Yep.